Okay, this dance here is called Can't Wang with it. It's a four-wall dance. You start off on your right leg. This is my right here, even though it looks like your left there. So you step out, step in, out, step over. Step out, step in, out, over. Again, that is, it is out, in, out, over. Out, in, out, over. Then you still do 3 shuffles, starting with the right foot. Right, left, hold it, pause it for 1 beat, and then you just switch. And then you do 2 shuffles and then do step over. 1, 2, kind of turn that foot in a little bit. It's going to tell you which direction to go. Step over, step out, step over, step out. Remember not to step too far out because it'll throw you off balance. And then you start all over after you complete this. Out and over, out and over. 1, 2, hold it, switch. 1, 2, turn that foot in, step over, step out, step over, step out. That's Can't Wang with it. So here it again, go again. So out and over, out and over, right, left, right, pause, and then switch. And then right, left, step over, step out, step over, step out. And then out and over, out and over, right, left, hold it, switch, right, left, and cross, out and over, out and over, right, left, hold it, and switch, right, left, and cross, out and over, right, left, hold it, switch, right, left, step over, step over, step out and over. That is Can't Wang with it. Yeah, it's a 4-wall dance, very easy. Yeah, have a good time with it. See you on the next video.